Embark on a joyful journey to the past, savoring the serene coastal living at this beautifully restored oceanfront home in Kitty Hawk. Built in 1955 and meticulously maintained, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath gem exudes its historic charm. The bright great room welcomes you with warmth and comfort. The great room is adorned with its bright living and dining areas. Admire the fully equipped kitchen, which has been thoroughly remodeled and reconfigured, showcasing modern stainless steel appliances and a custom window granting breathtaking views. Journey down the hall to discover 2 generously sized bedrooms with refinished hardwood floors and a shared, conveniently located bathroom. The 3rd bedroom has 2 twin beds and a smart TV. Sip your morning coffee or indulge in peaceful contemplation on the covered decks and porches, capturing the fragrant salt breezes. The rooftop deck, accessible via the back stairs, unveils even more spectacular vistas, and it introduces you to a bonus space that promises additional room for relaxation or entertainment. Contact us today for more information or a private showing. And for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining and have a wonderful day.